In this video, we are going to see the amazing use of XLOOKUP and how it is better than HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP and index match combined. So we have the same examples in which we learned the simple VLOOKUP example. I just changed this example to XLOOKUP example. And here we have simple data, different product names are there, product ID, make and unit prices there. So let's say that we want to add a product name. This is my search box and I want to extract all of the results. Product name is here. We have already attached a drop-down list. So when we select any particular product, it should show us the unit price. So although we can do this in VLOOKUP as well, but let's try XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, lookup value is this. We have already named this. You know how we can do this. Lookup array. This product can be found in which column in the original data. That's what it means. Lookup array is this. That means this lookup value can be found in this product list. I prefer to select the whole column because when we add the data later on, it will still show the results correctly and we don't need to update the formula. Comma. Return array. What do you want to return or what should be the answer? So the answers should be picked up from here. Unit price column. Comma. If not found, then show not found. So you will notice that earlier we used if error separately, but here we don't need to do this. Comma, exact match, bracket close, hit enter, and you should be able to see this result. Now, if we change this to mobile holder, let's see, this is mobile holder and the relevant price is 25. So it picks up perfectly. Now let's see another example where we have the problem in applying VLOOKUP, and that is if all of these products are not here, but we move it towards right here at the end. And let's delete the extra column. Now the products are here and the relevant price is behind that. That means we have to work on right to left. So here VLOOKUP doesn't work. Let's try this formula again, equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, comma, lookup array, where the products can be found here. Return array is this, comma, if not found, I just need to mention not found, and comma, exact match, and we are still able to find it properly. Let's see seat covers is 130. So that's how we can do it. And when we remove any particular product, it will show us not found, or when there is error, it will show us not found like this. If it is blank, it will show 0, but let's write new product not found. So also we don't need to enter if error separately. Now let's see an advanced example. Let's say that I want to quickly find any particular product and I just know maths. I just write maths here. So the power of this data validation drop-down list, which we have inserted from here, is that it immediately suggests the right product name. We just search this and we are able to see the right price. Again, wrapping. Again, camera. Someone will just write camera here and it was added in the database with dashboard camera. So immediately it is able to find this dashboard camera. You can just correct it here and you can see the unit price, but that happens only in the latest version. And since we are using 2024 Office version, only in this version, it's updated. Otherwise, you might have to use the combo box function and other functions to do this. But let's say that we haven't applied this and we change it to any value. Let's remove this and let's see that if we now write maths, it's not able to suggest anything. And even if we hit enter, it's not able to find the price as well. So there we need to adjust the XLOOKUP with the wildcard character, and that's a very useful function. Let's say that I want to enable the search even if we write a part of particular search, because normally the employees will make this mistake, especially if you have long names, steering wheel cover, ambient footwell lights. They might only enter footwell lights, but they should be still able to find the product. So what we will do is we will make an adjustment in the formula that the lookup value is this, but if whatever is behind this name, write a inverted commas, steric inverted commas, and function, and combine it with the formula. Means I am saying whatever is additional to this lookup name behind this. So behind this is what? Floor mats. Just consider that in the lookup as well, and the original lookup value which we have written, and whatever comes after that. Let's say that we only search for wheel, and whatever comes after that, just include that as well. And inverted commas, static and inverted commas. So it will extract the results in every situation. Lookup array is same, return array is same, if not found is same, but in the match found, we will use the wildcard character match, which is 2, and hit enter. Now you can see that even if we wrote mats, we can still get the results. Even if we write floor, we can still give the results. Even if we write tint, it can still give the results. And even if it write Windows tint instead of window tint, no, it doesn't give the result in this situation, but in most of the situation it does. Let's try woofer. As you can see, underseat woofer 250. Let's write tire. So it's able to pick this wireless tire inflator 95. So that's how it works in most of the situations. Now we will move on to more complex transactions later on, but let's see that if whatever we done with HLOOKUP, can we do this in the same way with XLOOKUP or not? Let's try index match, for example. So in here, we just use the order ID in order to extract the customer name, car model, and the total price. Why we have used index match in this example? Because the customer name is behind the order ID. So let's try XLOOKUP here. XLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, and where this value can be found in the order ID, we select the whole column, and return array. What we need to return is the customer name. So look all these order IDs and find the relevant customer name. And after that, if not found, I'll just need to write not found or nil, comma, exact match. So here it is able to find this, and you can do the same for other ones, but let's check this accuracy. 1005 is James Garcia. Here it is. So index match can easily be replaced by XLOOKUP. Let's try another example of this one in which we have experimented with index match. But here we need to find the lowest bid, and the relevant results is upwards. Let's see if the index match function, instead of that, XLOOKUP works or not. Equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Lookup array is this, because this value can be found in this relevant lookup array. And the return array, whatever you want to return, is this. And we need to fix this in the same way because we don't want to scroll down the headings, comma. If not found, I'll just write here nil. Match mode should be the exact match, and that's it. Hit enter, and it's able to identify that it's vendor 1. Just double click to send it down, and we can see the relevant results for each. So vendor 3 is 37.62, 37.62. Let's go parallel to it. It's vendor 3. That's perfect. So index match can be fully replaced by XLOOKUP. Let's now look at HLOOKUP examples. So here is the HLOOKUP example in which the employee ID is on the top and the relevant results at the bottom. Exactly the opposite of VLOOKUP. So according to the employee ID, I need to extract these details. Let's try this in the XLOOKUP function. So equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Where this lookup value can be found? In the lookup array. So all of this is lookup array. Let's fix that. And we don't even need to fix because we have already given the name of employee IDs. Return array is, since we are trying to find the names, so all of this is return array. Let's fix this. No, don't fix this. Or you can fix that because this is only a single search box, comma. If not found, right here, not found. So we don't need to separately apply for if error. Match mode is exact match, and that's it. Hit enter. And now it totally works and replaced the HLOOKUP as well. How cool is that? Let's do the same for department. So here we just paste this and scroll it down. This is department. Let's do that. Scroll one cell down, date of hire, and we can correct the date format from here, change it to short date, and then again scroll towards right. And we are just changing the relevant selection or the return array. So that's how we can get it. In the monthly pay, it looks like a date, but let's change it to a journal format, and now we can see the results. Let's see one more time if all the results are showing correctly. US 002. Noah Smith. It works in the IT department, and date of hire is this, and the total salary is this. Totally replaced the HLOOKUP function as well. So VLOOKUP, index match, and HLOOKUP all covered by XLOOKUP. And that's the power of it. It's a very important formula. It only works in the advanced version of Office. So make sure that you have at least 2021 plus version of Microsoft Office. So just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.